Surprise, surprise, Poshmark misses the mark yet once again. Are they actually making these new features for resellers? What's up, guys? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here. Before we get into this video, drop your notes down below. Let me know what you think of the new Poshmark sharing feature, as well as some of the other features that they have come out with their newest update. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing just a quick review about what this Poshmark sharing feature is, but the meat of the video is going to be how it's actually impacting the reselling community. So they came out, they do a seller update, they came out with a couple new features. One of them is the bulk sharing. So if you're new to Poshmark, you have to share your items to get to the top of the search engine, and you had to do it one by one. It can be very, very time consuming. So we've been asking for a while, hey, let's make this a bulk feature, and they came out and said, hey, you can do it in bulk. But now doing it in bulk, you still have to go and click on each one. So it's still kind of time consuming, but it has sped up the process from before. So I did a poll on my Instagram. So keep in mind, people that are following me are going to be resellers. In some capacity, even if it's just a side hustle, they are following a reseller to learn how to resell, right? So keep that in mind. The poll is probably not accounting for people who are cleaning out their closet, very, very, very casual sellers that are not, trying to learn how to do this better. I took a poll on my Instagram because I wanted to really know how this was impacting the reselling community. I broke the question out into bot users. So a bot is going to be a computer program that is going in and doing some of these processes for you. So there are bots out there for Poshmark where you can go in and you can set it and it'll share for you. So you're not having to manually go in. So I broke it out into bot users and then not bot users. People are going in and manually sharing their closets. I'm not getting into the discussion of bots and not bots and whether it's legal or not. That's a decision that you can make and reach out to Poshmark and talk to them or look at their terms and services. But I broke it out into those two things. I think in the reselling community, that's definitely a split, and it's going to make a difference. If you are using a bot, you can be sharing your closet pretty much 24 hours a day. If you're doing it manually, you're probably not sharing it as often. So the bot users, 66% of them have seen a decline in sales on Poshmark since this new bulk sharing feature came out. The non-bot users, so people who were not able to be sharing their closet 24 hours a day, they saw a 62% increase in sale. So what does this mean, and does it make sense? It means that Poshmark is making these features for non-resellers, the people who are not using the bot, the people who are not automating these tasks, who are kind of casual sellers, maybe sharing the closet every once in a while. This feature is actually helping them. 62% of them have seen an increase in sales. However, resellers or people who are automating these processes and trying to have their closet shared all the time, it's actually decreasing their sales. And be mindful in the platforms that you are selling on. Poshmark continues to show its colors that it's not for resellers. They're really not providing these tools for resellers in mind. If you liked this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video. I'll link some more Poshmark videos here, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button to learn how to make more money reselling.